eat all of these grapes, 12 of them each at midnight. This is the...
And count.
Explain. This is the Spanish tradition.
Yeah, when it's midnight, we're gonna eat
All of
12
them.
grapes.
And count in Chinese.
Okay.
And that means we're gonna all be rich.
Yeah.
Does it mean we're going to be rich?
Yeah. And happy.
And it means someone is going to fall in love with me this year. Okay? Yeah.
Year of the tiger.
Year of the Tiger!
Sing your